Hello students, welcome back to our class. In this module we are going to discuss about essay type questions which are long answer type as well as essay type carries 5 marks. According to previous pattern, each question carries 4 marks, but as per the revised pattern it is 5 marks question. So let us start solving. Coming to the first problem here, the first problem is determine graphically the coordinates of the vertices of the triangle. The equations of whose sides are given by 2y minus x is equal to 8, 5y minus x is equal to 14, y minus 2x equal to 1. So there are 3 lines. So each 2 lines definitely intersect at one point, because if you observe 2y minus x equal to 8, there is a constant, non-zero constant, x term as well as y term, even in these 2 equations also. That's why every single line intersect x-axis and y-axis in 2 distinct points. So if you take any pair of lines, definitely they intersect at one point, right? So let us try to draw them on the graph sheet and we'll identify about the coordinates of the vertices of the triangle, right? So the first line is here 2y minus x is equal to 8. So I am going to figure out the values of x and y satisfying this equation. Okay, so x values as well as y values. Suppose if I take x is equal to 0, then 2y minus 0 is equal to 2y is equal to 8, 2 4s are 8. So the value of y is equal to 4. And suppose if you take x is equal to some other number, like x is equal to, I am taking some minus 2. If x is equal to minus 2, then minus of minus 2 equal to plus 2. So 2y plus 2 is equal to 8. 2y is equal to 8 minus 2, that is 6. 2y is equal to 6, y is equal to 3. Of course, I can take y is equal to 0, but if y is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 8, getting some bigger values on the axis. Next, another one is 5y minus x is equal to 14. Okay. So 5y minus x is equal to 14. Here you need to think a while, because you get some bigger values also here, x values and y values. Suppose if I take x is equal to 0, then I get 14, 5y is equal to 14, y is equal to 14 by 5. 14 by 5 is equal to 2 point something. So I am getting points. So that is why I do one thing. I will take x is equal to 1. If I take x is equal to 1, minus 1 will become plus 1. 14 plus 1 equal to 15. 5y is equal to 15. 5y is equal to 15. Y is equal to how much? 5 3s are 15. And now again I should take one more value of x. I will take x is equal to like x is equal to 5 if I take x equal to 6. If I take x is equal to 6, then it would be minus 6 will become plus 6. So 14 plus 6 is equal to 20. 5y is equal to 20. So y is equal to 4, because 5 4s are 20. Next, coming to the next line, y minus 2x is equal to 1. In this, x values and y values. Okay. Now I will take x is equal to 0. If x equal to 0, 2 zeros are 0. Y minus 0 is equal to 1. Y is equal to 1. And if I take x is equal to 1, for example, if I take x is equal to 1, then 2 1s are 2. Y minus 2 equal to 1. So y minus 2 equal to 1 means y is equal to 1 plus 2, that is 3. Okay. So y is equal to 3 and x is equal to 1. Then 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. I am ready with the points. Now I am going to draw all these 3 lines on the graph sheet. So this is x-axis and this is y-axis. Okay. Now I would like to take the scale on x-axis. For that I will see all the values of x. Here x 0 minus 2, 1 6, 0 1. So maximum value should be taken on x-axis is 6 and minimum value should be taken on minus 2. On x is minus 2. So 6 means I think I can manage with 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit on x-axis. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, one more, let it be 7 on x-axis. and towards the negative direction, so -1, -2. Fine. Now coming to y values, 4, 3, 3, 4, 1, 4. So there is no negative y. We have only positive y values. That too, maximum is 4. I can manage with 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then this is 5. Right? Now, the first line is when x equal to 0, y is equal to 4. X equal to 0, y is equal to 4. This is the first point. And the second point is x equal to minus 2, y is equal to 3. X equal to minus 2, y is equal to 3 should be over here. Okay. So passing through these 2 points, I should draw a line. So for example, this is what is the line passing through these 2 points. Okay. Right. So the name of the line is 2y minus x is equal to 8. 2y minus x is equal to 8 is the first line. So coming to the second line, x equal to 1, y is equal to 3. X equal to 1, y is equal to 3. This is the first point. And second point is x equal to 6, y is equal to 4. X equal to 6, y is equal to 4. This is what is the x equal to 6, y is equal to 4. So this is what is the point. So passing through these 2 points, we can draw a line, right? Fine. So next, what is the next one? Next one is x equal to 0, y is equal to 1. X equal to 0, y equal to 1 is this point. And x equal to 1, y is equal to 3. X equal to 1, y is equal to 3 is this point. Okay? X equal to 1, y is equal to 3. 1 comma 3 already taken. X equal to 1, y is equal to 3. Yes, this is one more point. And passing through these 2, we'll draw a line. Right? So now if you observe, I'm just erasing this because this is not required. Just for our reference, I drew this. Okay, fine. So now you see all these 3 lines. This is the first line, second line, and this is the third line. These 3 lines are intersecting because they are forming a straight line. They are forming a triangle. So what is the triangle formed by these 3 vertices? What is the triangle? See, I am taking this point as, for example, A, and see, this is what? Yes. So this is point A, and this is point B, and this is point C. Of course, on the graph sheet, you can easily identify the vertices. Here I can say this point B is going to be 1 comma 3 because this is the common point. And this point A is going to be, it would be 2 and 5. Correct? So this point is 2 comma 5. And this is what is the point. So where, I did not take the values here. Suppose if it is some minus 3, I could say that this point is minus 3 comma 3. Minus 3 comma 3. Okay? But I can say exactly, if you draw them on the graph sheet by using your scale, then you can easily identify what are the vertices of this triangle. Hope you understand. We can easily identify what are the vertices of the triangle. It is very much easier, very much simple problem to do it on the graph sheet. But please be very careful using graph sheet. You will have to prepare the table for the values of x and y lying on all these 3 lines, and then take the scale accordingly and then draw them by using scale as well as pencil. So automatically you will get this triangle. Right? These are the vertices. Moving on to the next problem. A man can row a boat downstream 20 kilometers in 2 hours and upstream 4 kilometers in 2 hours. So finds his speed of rowing in still water, also find the speed of the stream. So these are kind of different easiest problems. You should have an idea about upstream as well as downstream. See, I would like to give you a few set of examples about this downstream and upstream. So when it is raining, you see some kids playing with paper boats, leaving the paper boats in the water which is flowing. So then when you leave a paper boat in the water which is flowing, then the paper boat also go along with the direction of the flow, because there is no initial speed of the paper boat. There is no motor or something, some device is fixed. It will go along with the speed of the water. And suppose if you stand in the water flow, okay, then you will definitely experience some external force applied by the water on you, isn't it? And if you try to move in the opposite direction of the water, definitely you feel some force, some pressure by the water flow. Otherwise, suppose if you go along with the water, if you are walking along with the water direction, then you feel much easier, when you are walking. Much easier when you are walking. So these are all the things that you need to understand here. One thing is, suppose if you have an initial speed, generally on the plain road you can walk with certain speed, but if you walk in the water which is opposite direction of the water, definitely you cannot maintain the same speed. So here some force is applied by the water on you. Suppose if you are going along with the water, so definitely the speed of the water will be helpful for you to move in the direction of the water to go faster, isn't it? So here you need to understand two things. If you have, or if your boat has an initial speed, then that initial speed can be taken as the speed of the boat in still water. If there is no movement in the water, that is what called speed of the water in still, speed of the boat in still water. So here we need to find out the speed of the rowing in still water, also find out the speed of the stream. So I would like to start here. Let the speed of the water, okay, you can take speed of the water, otherwise let us start with the speed of the boat. Okay, so then you will get one clarity. I'll tell you how to take them. Let the speed of the boat in still water is equal to x kilometers per hour. Okay, that is speed of the boat in still water. This point is very important. Okay, next, and the speed of the stream or speed of the water. Okay, so speed of the stream is equal to y kilometers per hour. Got it? Now we have two cases. What are those two cases? The boat is going in upstream, the boat is coming in downstream. Okay, so for example, this is upstream. Fine. So this is what is the way the boat is moving. The way that the boat is moving. So for example, this is the boat. Right. So here in this is the boat. Now speed of the boat in still water is going to be x kilometers per hour, but it is going upstream. Okay. So in the case of upstream, this is what is the stream whose speed is equal to y kilometers per hour, whose speed is equal to x kilometers per hour. Suppose here provided x must be more than y, then only the boat can go up, otherwise it cannot go up, right? So for example, here the boat is going upstream. Now we are talking about upstream, right? Talking about upstream. So in this, its speed in still water is x kilometers per hour and its speed is equal to y kilometers per hour. And what is the distance here? A man can row a boat downstream 20 kilometers in 2 hours and upstream 4 kilometers in 2 hours. So this is upstream, right? So what is the distance of this upstream? Which is 4 kilometers. So the distance is going to be 4 kilometers, right? And he can finish this in upstream 4 hours in 2 hours, 4 kilometers in 2 hours. So time is equal to 2 hours. Then what is the speed of the boat here? Speed of the boat in this upstream. If the speed of the boat should be more than the speed of the stream, then only it can go up, otherwise it cannot. Suppose if the speed of the boat as well as speed of the stream both are same, then the boat can still stand there. It cannot move towards. If it want, it can go away, but it cannot move towards. So the speed of the boat in this upstream should be more than the speed of the stream. How much more? That is x minus y more. So that is why speed of the boat is equal to x minus y. But we have to find out the relationship between distance, speed as well as time. So speed equal to distance by time. So that speed is equal to distance upon time. So speed is x minus y is equal to distance is 4 divided by 2. Therefore x minus y is equal to 2. This is the first information from this upstream. Now coming to downstream. Okay. So downstream. So in this downstream, see, this is what actually the flow. Now the boat is here. Okay. This is what is the position of the boat. And the boat is moving in this direction. Okay. The boat is moving in this direction. And what is the distance of this downstream? Distance of the downstream is 20 kilometers. So distance is equal to 20 kilometers. And the time taken for this journey is equal to 2 hours. And what is the speed of the boat? So speed of the boat in downstream, even if you want to start the boat, then also you can come down along with the speed of the water. So that the speed of the water will be added to the speed of the boat. So that is why here speed of the boat in downstream is x plus y. According to the given problem again, so speed is equal to distance upon time. Here speed is x plus y is equal to distance 20, time is equal to 2. So finally we get x plus y is equal to 20 by 2 is equal to 10. Right? So this is second equation. So will you be able to solve both the equations? Yes, you can solve by any of your algebraic methods. So solving first and second equations. First equation would be x minus y equals to 2. X minus y equals to 2. And the second equation would be x plus y is equal to 10. Right? So when you add both the equations, x plus x is equal to 2x, plus y minus y cancel, 10 plus 2 is equal to 12. X is equal to 12 by 2 is equal to 6 kilometers per hour. What it is? This is what is the speed of the boat in still water. And to get speed of the water, then take second equation, x plus y is equal to 10. X is equal to 6 plus y is equal to 10. 6 plus how much equal to 10? 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. So therefore, speed of the water is equal to 4 kilometers per hour. So this way, we can answer this boat problem, upstream, downstream problem easily. But please do remember this concept so that you can easily solve any problem of upstream, downstream like this. Okay? Moving on to the next problem. For what value of k, which of the following pair of linear equations have infinitely many number of solutions? Again, infinitely many number of solutions. Now you will have to remember the condition for infinitely many number of solutions. For that, the given equations are 2x plus 3y is equal to 7. And second equation is k plus 1 times x plus 2k minus 1 times y is equal to 4k plus 1. Since they have infinitely many number of solutions, infinite solutions, so what is the condition for infinite solutions? A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 also is equal to C1 by C2. Okay? So A1 is 2 by A2 is equal to k plus 1 equals to B1 by B2, that is 3 divided by 2k minus 1 is equal to C1 by C2, that is 7 divided by 4k plus 1. So here in all the three terms we have k, so that you can equate any two terms, that's enough. I am equating these two. Okay, so when I equate these two, 2 by k plus 1 equal to 3 by 2k minus 1, by cross multiplication 2 into 2k is equal to 4k minus 2 into 1 equal to 2, which is equal to 3 into k is equal to 3k plus 3 into 1 equal to 3. Transpose 3k towards left hand side and minus 2 towards right hand side. Then 4k plus 3k will become minus 3k. Already 3 is there, minus 2 will become plus 2. So 4k minus 3k is equal to k, 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. So ultimately, finally we got the value of k as 5. So this is most easiest problem, but please be very careful in order to provide every single step of the solution. Right? Next. Find C if the system of equations has infinitely many number of solutions. Again, this problem also similar to the previous one. So that is, first equation cx plus 3y plus 3 minus c is equal to 0. And second equation is 12x plus cy minus c is equal to 0. These two are two equations. Since they have infinitely many number of solutions, a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2, which is also is equal to c1 by c2. Right? So a1 by a2 means c by 12 equal to b1 by b2, that is 3 by c, equal to c1 by c2, that is 3 minus c by minus c. See, here you have c here, c here, c here. In order to find c, you can choose them both. Then c into c equal to c square, 12 3s are 36. Here you be very careful because you are getting two values of c. C square equal to 36, c is equal to plus or minus square root 36. Therefore, the value of c is equal to plus or minus 6. Then, which value of c should I consider? Suppose if I consider c is equal to plus 6. Okay? C is equal to plus 6. Then, a1 by a2, that is c divided by 12. C is equal to 6, right? So, 6 divided by 12 is equal to 3 divided by 6 is equal to 3 minus 6 divided by minus 6. Then 6 by 3 is equal to 1 by 2, 3 by 6 equal to 1 by 2, 3 minus 6 equal to minus 3 by minus 6 is equal to 1 by 2. So now in this case, C value is equal to 6. But another value, if the value of C is equal to minus 6, then here it is C by 12, minus 6 by 12 is equal to 3 divided by C means 3 divided by minus 6 is equal to 3 minus C means 3 minus of minus 6 is plus 6 divided by minus C is equal to minus of minus 6 is equal to plus 6. Minus 6 by 12 is equal to minus 1 by 2. 3 by minus 6 is also equal to minus 1 by 2. But here 3 plus 6 is equal to 9 by 6. So 9 divided by 6, which is equal to 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6, it is 3 by 2, which is wrong. So what do you mean by that? You are not allowed to write the values of C are plus or minus 6. Because plus for C is equal to minus 6, it is failed. Therefore, the possible value of C is equal to plus 6. You understand? C cannot be plus or minus 6. C is equal to plus 6 only. Coming to the next problem. Here, determine graphically whether the following pair of equations 3x minus y is equal to 7, 2x plus 5y plus 1 equal to 0 has unique solution or infinitely many or no solution. For that, definitely you will have to draw them on the graph sheet. The first line is 3x minus y is equal to 7. Okay. So here you will have to prepare a table for the values of x and y satisfying this equation, x values and y values. Suppose if x is equal to, like if I take x is equal to 1, if I take x is equal to 1, then 3 1s are 3, minus y is equal to 7. So minus y is equal to 7 minus 3, 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. So minus y is equal to 4 and y is equal to minus 4. Got it? And now I'll take, if I take y value is equal to 2, if I take y is equal to 2, then 3x is equal, 3x minus 2 equal to 7, 3x is equal to 7 plus 2 is equal to 9, 3x equal to 9, x is equal to 3. So I got the values of x and y. Second line is 2x plus 5y plus 1 is equal to 0. Again, I would like to take the values of x and y, satisfying the equation, x values and y values. For example, if I take x is equal to, if I take x is equal to 1, suppose, or x equal to 0 I am taking. If x equal to 0, two zeros are 0. 5y plus 1 is equal to 0. 5y is equal to minus 1. Y is equal to minus 1 by 5. Minus 1 by 5 is equal to 5 2s are 10, right? So 0.2. So minus 0.2. Next, I am taking one more value. For example, y is equal to 0. If I take y is equal to 0, 2x plus 1 equal to 0, 2x equal to minus 1, x equal to minus 1 by 2, 2 5s are 10. So that minus 0.5. Got it? I will go to draw them on the graph sheet. So x values, x axis and y axis, and this is origin. Let me take the values of x here. 1, 3, 0, minus 0.5. Let me take 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit, but maximum is 3. So it is 1 and 2 and 3 and it is minus 1 and it is minus 2. And y values are going to be minus 4 to minus 0.5, sorry 0.2 and 2. So here taking 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit here, this is 1 and 2. Maximum is y value, maximum is 2 only, no? Okay, let me take 3 also. And here it is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Is it required? Yes, minus 4 is required. First line, 1, 4, 1 minus 4. So x is equal to 1, y is equal to minus 4. This is what is the point. And second point is 3, 2. X equal to 3, y is equal to 2. This is the point. Okay. So passing through these 2 points, you will have to draw a line. Okay. So this is what is the line passing through those 2 points, and the name of the line is 3x minus y is equal to 7. Fine. The second point is when x equal to 0, y is equal to minus 0.2. X 0, y minus 0.2 means, so somewhere it is, okay, minus 0.2. And when x equal to minus 0.5, y is equal to 0. X equal to minus 0.5 means over here. And passing through these 2, you will have to draw a line. So what is the name of this line? This is 2x plus 5y plus 1 equals to 0. Observe both of them. Are they intersecting lines, coincident lines, or parallel lines? They are intersecting lines. This is what is the point of intersection. So this way you can show that the lines are intersecting lines. So this is about the problems which were given for 5 marks. So please concentrate on the problems given for 5 marks, because mostly you need to provide every single information which is related to the given problem according to the marking scheme. Then only you will not lose the marks. Right? It is very easy to score full marks from this chapter if you follow every single point what we discussed in the class. Hope you understand and enjoy the class. Thank you.